Hi, I'm Jennifer, and today we'll be presenting about wind turbines along with my classmates Anna and Jessica.
What does a wind turbine do? A wind turbine creates electricity through wind or solar energy, which makes zero emission electricity, which benefits the earth because it creates zero pollution and it does not emit waste into the atmosphere. What form does the wind turbine energy start? Wind turbine turns energy into electricity by using the aerodynamic force from rotor blades similar to the ones on an airplane. The different air pressure from the two sides of the blade creates both a life and a brag. Once it's connected to the generator, the translation of aerodynamic force creates electrical energy.
So,
How widely are wind turbines used? Wind turbines are used about 7.5 widely, and China is the county that uses this technology the most. Some turbines are located in East San Diego and San Georgino.
basically, what electricity is a form of energy produced by moving electric charges. Electricity is a form of kinetic energy because it contains moving electrons. Wind turbines blades start to rotate due to the uneven Earth's surface, which then starts to create wind by kinetic energy. Then the kinetic energy gets passed down to the shaft where it's connected to the generator, producing mechanical energy and then converting it into electricity along the way. Now moving on to the questions. Some of the questions that we had was how much power does the low speed shaft have to keep the wind from exceeding the speed of the blades? And then the next question is, does the force of the brakes damage the wind turbine generator if there's too much wind and can't stop?
How does energy change throughout the generation process? First, wind or solar energy makes the blades move, which creates kinetic energy and converts it into mechanical energy because of the position and the movement of the blades. In the process of kinetic energy converting into mechanical energy, it produces zero emission electricity. Zero emission electricity is an energy source that does not create pollution or emit waste into the atmosphere.
Okay, so some of the benefits of this generator technology is that it creates long-term high-paying jobs for people who are manufacturing and installing the wind turbines. It also provides a good income for farmers as well as it has economic benefits to communities. Wind turbines have a small footprint, which means that farmers and livestock workers are able to profit off of them. In fact, many electric power plants require water to operate, but wind turbines do not require water. About 36.3 billion gallons have been reduced in 2013. Some of the drawbacks are that the wind energy cannot be stored unless batteries are used. Also, the large space of wind turbines take a lot of space, so it's very highly valuable to create a more space for other things than electric generators. And lastly, wildlife is a threat because when birds or bats migrate in their paths, potentially the wind turbines blades could injure them or kill them if they run into them.
A turbine generator that has a moving fluid which is moving a series of blades that are on a rotor shaft. That there is a fluid that is on the blades which moves the rafter shaft or a generator. The generator turns into mechanic energy to rotor to electricity energy. Energy transformation. Wind turbines convert kinetic energy of wind, which makes mechanic energy that produces clean, zero emission electricity.